morning students. In this video I am going to discuss about angle. To know about angle, at first we have to recall point and ray. This is the symbol of point. Point is denoted by a capital letter, suppose P. This straight path is called ray, which has one end point and another point extends endlessly. Two rays with same end point form an angle. Suppose this is a ray AB and suppose this is a ray AC. When two endpoints of these two rays are same, it forms an angle. Suppose BAC. The common endpoint A is called the vertex. Vertex of an angle, and the two rays which made the angle is called the arms. Two rays arms equal to AB and AC. How to write the name of an angle? To write the name of an angle, what will you do? Now the letter denoted by vertex is always to be written in the middle of the other two letters. Suppose name of the angle will be BAC. The letter which is denoted, जो लेटर की ना डिनोट करता है किसको, वर्टेक्स को, उसको कहाँ लिखना है ना, इन बिटवीन अदर आर्म्स पॉइंट. The symbol of angle is, and the angle is measured by degree. This is the symbol of degree, and we use protractor to measure the angles. Types of angles. Angles are different types. Zero angle, zero. The measure of the angle, the measure of an angle is zero, called zero angle. कोई भी एंगल का मेजरमेंट क्या होगा, जीरो होगा, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे ना, जीरो एंगल. सपोज दिस इज द वर्टेक्स and the other 2 points, 2 arms are in the same line. The angle AOB or BOA measure is 0 is called 0 degree. Number 2, acute angle. Already you have learnt it. Angles whose measure are in between 0 degree to 90 degree. That means more than 0. 0 से ज़्यादा है but less than 90. 90 से कम है, उसको क्या बोलेंगे ना, acute angle. Obtuse angle. The angle whose measure is between 90 degree to 180 डिग्री। दैट मीन्स कोई भी एंगल का मेजरमेंट क्या होगा, 90 से ज़्यादा होगा बट 180 से कम होगा, उसको क्या बोलेंगे ना, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल। नेक्स्ट, राइट एंगल, द एंगल हुज मेजर इज 90 डिग्री। राइट एंगल, the angle's measure is 90 degree. This is the symbol of 90 degree angle. Now the straight angle, an angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree called the straight angle. कोई भी एंगल है जिसका जो मेजरमेंट है वो क्या है ना, 180 डिग्री होता है, तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं ना, स्ट्रेट एंगल। सपोज एन एंगल ए ओ बी, दिस एंगल ए ओ बी इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट एंगल बिकॉज इसका जो मेजरमेंट है ये क्या है ना, 180 डिग्री। नाउ द रिफ्लेक्स एंगल, an angle whose measure is more than 180 degree. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree called a reflex angle. कोई भी एंगल हो जिसका मेजरमेंट कितना होगा ना, 180 डिग्री से ज़्यादा होगा बट 360 डिग्री से कम होगा, तो एंगल को क्या बोलेंगे ना, रिफ्लेक्स एंगल। सपोज बी ए, दिस इज 180, if B arm, rotate it, now the angle BOA more than 180, angle BOA more than 180, that is why this is called a reflex complete angle. Angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree angle is called complete angle. कौन सा एंगल ना, complete. Suppose this is O and if this point are in same line, this angle AOB is called complete angle. This is zero angle, that means angle AOB equal to 0. OB arm, OA arm, and if we rotate at the point O, arm OB, what will you get? Now angle AOB equal to 360 degree. Exterior and interior points of an angle. Suppose this is an angle AOB. The points inside the angle is called the points are called interior points. Points outside the angle are called exterior points. The points outside the angle are called exterior points. एंगल के बाहर साइड में जितना पॉइंट्स रहेगा उसको क्या बोलेंगे ना, एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट. रीजन, द इंटीरियर ऑफ एन एंगल itself. Suppose this is angle AOB. These are the points interior of angle AOB. The angle AOB with the points PQ are called angular region. That means एंगल के ऊपर जो पॉइंट्स है वो और एंगल के अंदर जितने सारे पॉइंट्स है सबको एक साथ क्या बोलते हैं ना, एंगुलर रीजन.